So Dreame just dropped 4 robot vacuums, all called the L60. We have the Pro Ultra, the Ultra PE, the Ultra, and the Ultra FE. All the same family, but very different price tags. So I lined up all 4 models, ran them through the same dirty floors, the same hair, the same sticky messes, and by the end of this video, you know which one to buy. And you're gonna see the differences between all the models across the board with new features compared to the others. Now, before we get into the floor testing, the L60 series allows users to choose based on their budget and needs, depending on factors such as home layouts, pets, and even cleaning complexity, rather than just simply going with the highest end model. For starters, all 4 models share the same DNA. We have 100 degrees Celsius thermal hub mop self-cleaning, and also you have the dual flex arm technology that extends both the side brush and the mop. You also have an automatic mop lifting and an auto dispense cleaning solution. So no matter which model you go with, you're getting the core Dreame self maintenance experience. And the differences that we're gonna go over are everything stacked on top of that. So definitely, I think right away that's a win. Now at the entry level tier, the L60 Ultra FE edition, or the Fine edition, this is the entry level model, which features a 30,000 Pascal suction. And it also has a tri-cut brush 3.0. And that tri-cut brush is just gonna cut up the hair so it doesn't tangle up the brush at all. So really good technology here. And then stepping up one tier, we have the L60 Ultra PE edition, performance edition. This has the same exact self-cleaning dock and the same Pascal, coming in at 30,000 suction power, but you're getting an upgraded smart pad finder with 3D adapt obstacle avoidance, trained at 222 objects types and depth info detection. Plus you're getting an AMI dirt detection, which automatically remops and revacs areas identified as dirty. Now with the military model being the L60 Ultra, it's a bit interesting. It's smarter, thinner, and also more powerful, bumping up the suction power up to 35,000 Pascal suction, coming from 30,000 from the previous models. Plus you're getting an AI enhanced 3D time of flight vision system alongside a dead touch control via Matter, which is a perfect match if you're in that Apple ecosystem. And a quick little bonus, it has that pet friendly Care 5.0, which is going to detect your pets, and it's going to feature a high suction power for hair pickup, and it's going to just clean around food and bowls and pet beds. And finally, the top of the line model, you're presented with the L60 Pro Ultra. This is the all-in-one flagship model. You get a 3.46 inch Pro Leap stair climbing system. This is absolutely incredible, and think of this feature as robotic legs. This is going to allow the robot to navigate complex terrain such as door stills and even small steps. This advanced system alone prevents the robot from getting stuck and just assuring a seamless and efficient cleaning session. And what's also cool, you have a hot water AMI scrub mopping, which is a heated thermal pad, and it's gonna just remove those pesky grease on hardwood floors, and also pair it up with a dual solution compartment that keeps mop wash water and clean mopping water separated. Now I want to take a deeper dive with the L60 Pro Ultra model because there's a bunch of features that I really just enjoy, and I'm just gonna break it down to 3 of my favorite features here. So feature number 1 that I love, you have that dual AMI scrub mopping with hot water, 2 pressurized oscillating mop pads, and they're fed with 100 degrees Celsius water during the clean. So like I said, just removing grease or any kind of stains, it's gonna just remove it efficiently. And it's not just self-cleaning at the dock, the thermal mop pads itself heats up, so it stays warm against the floor during the entire run, so making the cleaning process more efficient. So those dry coffee stains, those dried up tomato sauce on the floor, those milk rings, the Pro Ultra just removes all 3 of those all at one time in one cycle. Just one cycle and it's gone. If you have pets, kids, or you could just put this in the kitchen, this feature alone makes it an absolute no-brainer. But what's really cool about the L60 Pro Ultra, it actually physically scrapes the residue off the mopping pads before drying. So this feature alone is called the Ace Clean Dry Board. This is further reducing maintenance on your part. Let the robot do everything, And yeah, this is just taking it a step further. And also with the Pro Ultra model, you're getting extra battery capacity. So it's about 23% more than what you're getting across the lineup. But this is more tailored towards larger rooms, larger space, or even complex layouts. Now I would say Dreame knocked the L60 series out the water. All of these robot vacuum cleaners are absolutely incredible, but if you're still on the fence and you don't know which one to buy, the rule of thumb is pretty simple. The FE edition is the entry-level model, so it's more tailored towards smaller homes, and if you're on a tight budget, that's gonna be the best one. And then you have the performance edition. The PE one is more for cluttered space or stronger obstacle avoidance. So if you want a little bit more avoidance and you just have a messy room, then yeah, the PE is gonna be good. Then the Ultra is smarter, thinner, and you have that ecosystem such as activating it with your Apple Watch. It's gonna be the one for you. If you're a little bit more tech savvy and you have like lower level objects, then the Ultra is pretty good. Then you have the Pro Ultra, which we just talked about. That is just the all-in-one flagship. You want all of the features, all the bells and whistles. This is probably going to be your best bet. And also, if you have pets, kids, or just in thresholds, the Pro Ultra is going to be your way to go. Now, the L60 Pro Ultra is the most low maintenance robot vacuum in this lineup, and it's not even close. For starters, you have a 3.46 inch Pro Leap system with robotic retractable legs. The chassis literally lips off from the floor and the wheel extends. It's such a cool feature only on the Pro Ultra model. The Pro Ultra model simply just doesn't get stuck, and pairing that up with the obstacle avoidance with that RGB AI camera, and also you have that LED lights for low light hallways, and that just results of seeing cables, socks, pet bowls, and toys before you even touch them. So even in a dim environment at night, it's the most reliable navigator in the lineup. Links to all four of the Dreame L60 series down below in the description. Thank you so much to Dreame for sponsoring this entire video. If you guys enjoyed, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. And other than that, I hope you all have a simple day. Peace.